Welcome students, good morning. Myself Kukreja Rahul, and today we have to learn about the mathematics class 9, and as per the previous session we already talked about the surface area of Heron's formula. Okay, and as per the previous session from the surface Heron's formula, we already learned about the surface area and volume of the cylinder volume, cylinder, cube, cuboid, and hemisphere and cone, okay, etc. That is chapter number 13. Okay, from previous lecture, last lecture we have to start the Heron's formula, chapter number 12. Okay, so let's start to move on the some next example related to the Heron's formula. Okay, so students, our topic is standard 9, and this is a lecture of the standard 9, and topic is Heron's formula. Okay, in the last lecture we have learned more some example related to the Heron's formula. Okay, and for that I'll give you the some homework for related that. Okay, now in today's session we have also learned more example related to the Heron's formula. Okay, so I hope you have to understand all these things. Okay, so let's start without wasting our time. Okay, so one of the question, that is in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 15 centimeter, BC equal to 13 centimeter. First question is, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Sorry, AB is equal to 15 centimeter. BC equal to 13 centimeter. AB equal to 15 centimeter, BC equal to 13 centimeter, and AC equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, clear? So find the area of the triangle and hence its altitude on AC. Find area of the triangle, that says area of triangle, and also find altitude on AC. Okay, they said that find altitude also on the AC. So here my three sides are given, and for that we have to take first one as a, second as a B, and third one as a C. So first of all we have to find the semi perimeter, that is S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So 15 plus 13 plus 14, that is 15 plus 13 plus 14 by 2, that is 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, 1 carry, 1 2 3 4, 42 by 2, that is 21 centimeter. Okay, that is 21 centimeter my semi perimeter. Okay, now we have to move on the area of triangle, that is in square root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, that is S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay, now S is the semi perimeter, so my semi perimeter is 21. Second, 21 minus A, that is 15, 21 minus B, that is 13, and 21 minus C, that is 14. Okay, so now my answer is 21. 21 minus 15, that is 6, 21 minus 13, that is 7 plus 1 8, and 21 minus 14, that is 7. Okay, now we will split these numbers. and factorize these numbers to take out square root of the numbers. Okay, so 21, that is 7 into 3, 6, that is 3 into 2, 8, that is 4 into 2, and 7 is as it is. Now here my pair of the 7 is founded. Okay, then as per that I'll take common for that. Okay, so now your pair of 3 also are available, so we take clear these things. I'll take a pair of 7, that is, and after that pair of 3, and after that pair of 2, and in last square root of 4, that is 2. So I'll take this as common. So now my answer is 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42, 42 2s are 84. My answer is 84 centimeter square. That is my area of the triangle. Okay, that is my area of the triangle. Now we have to find the altitude on AC. Okay, now we have to find the altitude on the AC. Okay, so first of all I'll draw the triangle to show that altitude. This is my triangle A, B and C. So this is my AC. Okay, so I have to find the altitude on the AC. That is altitude, that is make a 90 degree. Altitude, that is make a 90 degree. So I'll take altitude as a BD. Okay, so as per that we have to take the area of triangle as a half base, that is AC, height, that is BD. Okay, then you can also take the area of triangle for this when we have to take altitude on the AC or any one side. Okay, so after that we have to take now as the area of the triangle ABC as a half base into height. Now here my AC is given, that is 14 centimeter. Okay, so for that I'll take area of triangle same as area of triangle, that is half base into height. My area of triangle will not change whenever we have to find from the any kind of the formula. Okay, so my area of the triangle will remain same. Okay, whenever you have to find the area of triangle using Heron's formula, or whenever you have to find the area of triangle using half base into height. Okay, so I'll take area of triangle as a 84 centimeter as it is equal to half. Now my base of triangle, that is AC. Okay, my base of triangle is AC. Okay, then I'll take AC into my height of triangle is, that is BD. How we say that that is a base of triangle? Altitude, which kind of, any kind of the altitude. Okay, any kind of altitude are formed on that side, that side is called as the base of the triangle. Okay, now 2 shifted to second side, so 84 into 2 equal to AC, that is 14, into BD, that is we have to find that. Okay, clear? Now we have to shift 14 to the second side also. Okay, so 84 into 2 divided by 14 is equal to BD. So 2 1s are 2 7s are 12 7s are 84. So my answer is 12 centimeter. BD, that is altitude of triangle, that is 12 centimeter. Okay, that forms on the side AC. Okay, clear? Please note down this fast. Okay, now we have to move on the question that is given in your textbook. Okay, dear students, here any kind of chapter we have to learn two types of the sums. One of them that is given in your textbook and one of them is that not given in your textbook. Okay, for any kind of chapter, any one of chapter, we are learning always two types of sum, that is one of them that is given in your textbook, that is, and the other one that is not given in your textbook. Okay, so be prepared for that. Second question that is given in your textbook, that is the perimeter of the triangular field is 540 meter. Okay, perimeter is given, that is 540 meter. Okay, and its sides are in the ratio 25:17:12. Find the area of the triangle, and sides are given in the ratio, sides are given in ratio, that is 25:17:12. Okay, find the area of the triangle. Okay, find the area of the triangle. So first of all we have to find the area of triangle. Okay, so for that we want the sides of the triangle. Okay, we want the sides of the triangle, because here the sides are not given in the any kind of the unit, that is centimeter or meter or any kind of that, but sides are given in the ratio. For that, first of all we have to find the sides of the triangle and convert from the ratio to the that particular unit. Okay, so for that we use the perimeter of the triangle, and we have to assume that sides are given in as 25x, 17x and 12x. Measurement of sides are 25x, 17x or 12x. Okay, so here perimeter of triangle is equal to a plus b plus c, that is sum of three sides. Okay, therefore 540 equal to 25x plus 17x plus 12x. Okay, we have to remove from the ratio and we have to multiply some constant number with them. So we have to find that constant number, that which one will be multiplied with all of this to find their measurement of the sides. Okay, now therefore 540 equal to 7 plus 2 9, that is 25x plus 29x. Okay, therefore 540 equal to 9 plus 5 14 and 1 carry 54x. So therefore my value of x, that is 540 divided by 54, that is 10. My constant number, that is multiplied with each of one side, that is 10. So my measurement of side, I will write it here. Therefore my measurement of side, that is a is equal to 25. So 25 into 10, that is 250 meter, that is perimeter given into the meter. So I will write it all this side into the meter. B, that is 17. So I will multiply 17 into 10, that is my 170 meter. Okay, and therefore third C, that is 12. So we multiply 10 to the 12, that is 120 meter. Okay, this is my three sides of the triangle are given. Okay, so now we have to calculate the area of triangle. For that area of triangle, first of all we have to find the semi perimeter. Okay, for semi perimeter we know that semi perimeter, that is a plus b plus c, that is perimeter divided by 2. So now I have the perimeter given as 540, so I'll take directly as a 540 by 2, okay, without wasting a time. So 540 divided by 2, that is my answer is S equal to 270, okay. My S is equal to 270. Now we have to calculate the area of triangle using Heron's formula, okay. So therefore area of triangle, okay, area of triangle is equal to, in square root, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, okay. So in square root, S, that is 270, 270 minus A, that is 250, 270 minus B, that is 170, okay, that is 170, and third one, that is, I'll write it here, 270 minus 120, okay, okay, clear. So now in square root, that is 270 multiplied by 270 into 1, 250, that is 20, 270 into 170, that is 100, okay, and 270 minus 120, that is 7 minus 2, 5, 150, okay, clear. Now we have to factorize these numbers, okay, to find the area. Therefore now in square root we have to factorize all of these numbers. Now we have to factorize 270, okay. Now I have to factorize 270 as a 90 into 30, okay. But whenever you have to take the 90, there is not any kind of the square root of 90, so we have to take 30 into 9, okay, 30 into 9, because 9 is the square root of the one of the number, that is 3, okay. So I'll write 30 into 9 for this. Now 20, for 20 we have to write 20 as it is, because whenever you have to split 100, now we have to take 100, that is 25, okay. So I'll take the pair of 20 from that. That's why we have to split 100 as a 25, and that's why I'll take 20 as it is to form the pair of 20, okay. So that's easy for me to common out from that. Now 150, that is 35, okay, that is 35, that is also easy for me, to split, take a common, okay, 30 from that, because I split 270 as a 30 into 9, okay. So therefore 30 is a pair of 30, that is one of them is common out, pair of 20, that is also one of the pair of common out, pair of 5, that is also common out, and last one is square root of 9, that is 3. Now we have to multiply these numbers to find the area, that is 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 33s are 90, so 90 and 2 zeros more, so 9000 meters square. My area of the triangle, that is 9000 meter square. Clear, students? Please note down this fast. One of the same question, students, given in your textbook also, that is the perimeter of triangle is 300 meter. Please check which of the question are given in your textbook, that is this kind of the question. Okay, please note down this question as a homework. Please note down. The perimeter of triangle is 300 meter. Okay, if the sides are in the ratio 3:5:7, if the sides of the triangle are in the ratio 3:5:7, find the area of the triangle. Okay, so same kind of the question that that will we do it here, that same kind of question that also given in your textbook. Okay, so that question is for your homework. Okay, so do that question in your homework. Okay, please note down this statement. Another question that I'll give you in the homework, please note down that also. Please note down that also. I'll give you the question. I'll not write at the board. Okay, I'll give you the question. Please note down that. The length of the side of the triangle are in the ratio length of the sides of the triangle are in the ratio length of the sides of the triangle are in ratio 3:4:5. 3:4:5, and its perimeter is 144 centimeter. 144 centimeter, that is 144 centimeter. Find its area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. Okay, find the area of the triangle. Clear? Done? Noted? Okay, clear. Now we have to move on the questions that is regarding to the your textbook. That is, one of them are given as a there is the side of the park. One of this wall has been painted in the some color with the message keep the park green to clean. Keep the park green and clean. Sorry. If the sides of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in the color. Okay. Now sides of the triangular park is given. Sides of the triangular park is given, that is 15 meter, 11 meter. Okay, that is 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter sides of the triangular park. Okay, sides of triangular park is given 15 meter, 11 meter and 7 meter. Okay, now we have to paint this triangular park. So how much? Find the area painted in color. Okay, so we have to find the generally area of the triangle. Okay, clear? So area of triangle, we have to take 15 meter as a 11 meter as a B and 7 meter as a C. So for that, first of all we have to find semi perimeter A plus B plus C by 2. So 15 plus 11 plus 7 by 2, that is 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 5, that is 2 13 23 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 13, 1 carry 1 2 3, that is 33 by 2. Is it 33 by 2? 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus 5, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 3 23, 23 plus 10 33. Sorry, the sides are given 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. That is, here's my mistake. Okay, so I'll clear that. Okay, so 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 5 2 12, 22, that is 32 by 2, that is 16 meter. Okay, my semi perimeter is a 16 meter. So for that we have to find the area of triangle. For area of triangle, that is in square root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So for that, my semi perimeter, that is 16 minus 15, 16 minus 11 and 16 minus 6. Okay, so 16 into 16 minus 15, that is 1, 16 minus 11, that is 5, 16 minus 6, that is 10. Now we have to factorize that. 16 is a 4 4s are 16 into 5 into 10, that is 5 2s are 10. Okay, so 4, that is 2, for this 4 2, for pair of 5, that is 5, and remaining 2 as it is in this square root. That is, therefore my answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 root 2 meter square. 20 root 2 meter square, that is area of the triangular park. Okay, clear? One of the two question more are given in your textbook, students, that is triangular walls for the flyover. Okay, and one of them second, that is another, that is triangular park given. Okay, and another question that is related to a traffic signal board. Okay, so these three questions we are talking about that, and we will see that these three questions in the next session. Okay, so students, I'll give you the homework for today's session, that there is a 3 sums or 2 sums. There is only 2 sums that I'll give you in the homework. So please note down that questions, and please do homework regularly. Okay, so I hope you students, you have to clear all these things in the today's session. Okay, then please complete this first, and after we have to complete this session. Okay, please do fast. Clear? Noted? Okay, so students, now we will do that 3 sums that I'll talk about, that 3 sums given in your textbook. Okay, so that 3 sums we will talk for the next session. Okay, we will talk that questions in the next session. So students, so till then, goodbye and stay blessed.